We're just gonna pretend like I haven't disappeared for 2 years and get into this little devlog. Hello everyone. It has been a good minute since I have uploaded literally anything, but I have been working on some random things over the past week. I really wanted to get my hands on something in studio and improve as a game developer again, because I feel like I've lost a lot of the skills that I have. So I started working on this cute little fence. Well, I started working on this sandbox place where there is a cool fence system that I implemented, but it is also a lot of other things so far. Side note, but you can actually play this experience if you go to roblox.com and go to my group, The Maista, and basically you go into experiences and you click on that and then you hit play. You can check out the game and provide feedback if you want. I would love it if you guys would play, and also it would be cool if you could comment some models that you want to see for the sandbox place. Just let me know. And thank you. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Particularly, I really like this system because it has cute little bubbly animations when you place and cute little explosions when you delete. But yeah, let's get into what I've been up to. So to start, I have been working on this cute little UI system. I did this on Sunday and it just has like little highlights and stuff. And when you click it, it makes a little bloop. Basically, I'm just using the tween service that Roblox has provided because it is the easiest way for me to create animations. I'm not about to make my own system on my first little project that I want to work on in this. So basically, yeah, it's using that, and we are creating little constants because we want to keep our code clean and we want to edit things really easily. So yeah, and then here is the hierarchy of my building GUI. We using all the new UI features, not new, but like since I really stopped game development, a lot of these features have been coming out and I'm just excited to use them right now. And this is the UI element for the item, the template item UI. Yeah. And then after we went through that, I believe this was Monday night, I wanted to make the little bubbly placement system because I was playing this other game called Townscaper and it was just really aesthetically pleasing the way that it would like pop and stuff. So I was like, I want to do that too, and so I started doing it. Yeah, so in here we're also using tween service because it is again the easiest way for me to implement this kind of stuff. But basically, yeah, that is kind of how it works. We have a pop animation and then we have a delete animation where we are, changing the sizes, changing the direction, making little rotations, making it fade away. I kind of want to add more particles to it because that was kind of another satisfying thing about the Townscaper game. But I'm not going to do that in this episode because I haven't done it at all. Not episode, video. But yeah. And in here we have a bunch of items and we save the start transparency so that we can mess around with the transparency without losing the original data. And so I also tried to implement a fence system, but in this method I had like a lot of different fence models and basically there were like a lot of edge cases for which ones were touching other ones, and I literally almost gave up 4 times when I was working on this. It was a true mess basically. And so after like 4 attempts of trying to just make this work, I scrapped it. But if you're curious to see the amount of if statements I was doing, I can definitely show you here. Yeah, so basically I tried to make a bunch of like if statements. I'm sure there's a better method for this, but again, I'm just now getting back into programming, so I'm definitely not going to be the person to come up with the best method for this. But yeah, we scrapped it. And then we were like, we're going to go with a Minecraft system. So after this, I made some more models, but this time they're in the center of the part. And so basically, each one represents a type of attachment, so the different connections, like if there's a left or right and a top, then we have a very specific model for that. And so here we're checking the connection types, and it works out very well because I just name the models the connection types, and then I just update the appearance based on the connection type. And so it works, and it's easy to read. It's not super long or complicated. I'm pretty happy with it. Maybe one day I'll dive back into crazy fence system, but it just wasn't worth it to me. But that's basically what I've been working on this week. This video isn't super long. Maybe in the next one I'll do some more art stuff and make it prettier, because we like to work with pretty things. But anyways, thank you for watching this little video, and let's see if I make another one. Have a good day.